we got that truck done. I wasn't able to get it programmed, the Packard that is, because it wasn't set up on the engine systems through Packard itself. The VIN, you can't even pull up the VIN number. It didn't have VIN plate, nothing. It was like a test truck. But it's the next day, and I'm out here at one of my customers' locations. They have one where none of the switches are working, and it turns out this is no good. So this is called your master switch module. So all your switches, steering wheel switches, everything is going to go through that. So I've got the new one, getting ready to put it on here in just a minute. It's kind of a pain in the ass because of where it's located. You got to, you know, take off a lot of shit, a lot of dash panels to get to it, or to troubleshoot it. But I'm going to get it slapped in there, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, we're in the truck here, and I'm on the floorboard, but this is your center, or your dash panel area. The master switch module actually mounts up here on these Packard engines and Packard chassis, whatever you want to call them. I don't know if there's any way I can get y'all to stay still in here. Fuck no, drunk bastards. But, so, just connect it. It's got a certain way that it goes in here. It just slides in. So now we can hook up the laptop and see if all of our codes are good. If we got communication back to it, shit like that. Hey guys, I got the master switch module replaced. I got it programmed. I got it to detect and learn all the switches. Now the particular unit that I was messing with had really sticky switches on the steering wheel. You could push them down, they wouldn't pop back up. Now because there's soda or coffee or whatever inside those switches, it is a non-warrantable replacement. So the customer is going to replace those before they send the truck back out. Yeah, so they're going to do that repair. I have to go inside. I'm here at the shop right now. I got to go inside and pick up some stuff. My foreman needs me to go do a head gasket, an oil pan gasket, and a front structure on a trash truck. And returned a couple warranty parts, just some little shit here and there. So this is probably gonna be the end of my day. It's the holidays, so ain't really shit going on besides that. But yeah, have a good one.